guys, thanks for tuning in again. So the channel is coming up on 400 subscribers, and as a gesture of gratefulness to you guys, I'm going to host a giveaway. This giveaway will not be for 400, it'll be for 500, because I'm going to do actually 2 giveaways. I know I have Mustang and MG followers, and in order to kind of satisfy both crowds and show my gratefulness to both groups, I want to do 2 separate giveaways, and I need time to procure the items, and they have to get made and I have to make them. So what's going to happen is, for my Mustang followers, I'm going to get a set of strut covers from CustomPony1.com. If you haven't seen it, check out his website, CustomPony1.com. That's Matt Lewis. He runs that. He's a great guy. He's sponsor the car. He's hooked me up with a few things, and I'm gonna probably get a set to give away. For my MG followers, I'm gonna go just like I did for one of my episodes. I'm gonna go to my dad's and I'm gonna custom turn a wood shift knob, and we'll give it away. Hopefully we can do another piece of burl. It should, but either way, it'll be a hand turned wood shift knob that we'll give away, and it can go on somebody's car. But I'm very excited about it. I appreciate you guys subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so to be a part of it. We'll do a video for that giveaway whenever the time comes and we get a bit closer. But first I got to get the items, and yeah, it's going to be fun. Like and subscribe, guys, and let's get to this video. Take care. That's not the right keys. Red key in the garage. Do 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 do. Place the glitter wreath. Nicest sleigh Santa's ever had. Alright guys, what are we going to do?
We're going to Great Grandma's house to give them a wreath present.
A present, alright?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it, guys. Alright, so we're going to get on the road, do some pulls.
Whoa.
Not big pulls, got kids in the car obviously, but we'll get some little pulls in. We're going to go see my grandma. So we moved here about a little over a year ago, and it was awesome because we were able to visit my grandparents, and the kids were able, the kids were able to see their great-grandparents all the time. But because of the virus, you know, older folks are a little more high risk, so we've been trying to be careful around them, and haven't been able to see them as much. So this will be a nice little surprise visit, and we'll drop off the Christmas wreath, and you know, I can't wait to see her face. She should really love it. I wish Bailey was here to see it. Funny, my grandma just called me on the phone asking what the boys want for Christmas. We're probably about 30 minutes out. She has no idea we're on our way down. It's gonna be fun. Nice little surprise for her. Hi. Maddox says hi again. Yeah, we're about to roll up at my grandparents' house. Spent a lot of my childhood here. My grandpa would always come down and visit from the Raleigh area, and he builds like remote control boats, and that was like one of my favorite things to do as a kid. He's the reason I'm an engineer. Also probably the reason I'm a naval officer. I mean, he's a big influence on my life, but I can't wait to give them their Christmas present that Bailey made. So I'm gonna just switch the camera angle, put you on a stick so I can bring it to you guys. You ready to surprise her?
Yeah.
What about you, Max? Ready to surprise her? All right.
I think he said yeah.
Oh God, this driveway. Ooh, I made it. I don't think they're here either. I think they're shopping. We're gonna have to surprise them here. All right, guys, so I don't think they're here. So we're here with the boss. Boys are in their Santa hats. Layton's kind of messed up, but we're waiting for them to get back. We're gonna give them their present.
Oh my goodness, on my soul.
Oh my God, here. Hello there.
Hey, Layton.
Merry Christmas!
Hey there.
Who's here?
Merry Christmas!
We got a
Hey,
we got a surprise for you.
you do?
Yeah, we came all this way just to drop something off.
Oh, hi. I love seeing you. Yes, I'm so happy to see you. Oh my God! I was hoping it would be that. Oh, it is gorgeous. Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Bailey's up in Raleigh area for Deanna's dress fitting, so she couldn't come down. But we wanted to drop it off because we didn't know when we'll be able to do it again. I don't know what's going on in the schedule in the future, so.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, I love you for that.
Love you too.
Oh,
There.
that's beautiful.
Oop, the ribbon might just have to get moved a little bit.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
I'm making a little video of this trip down here, so you're gonna be on YouTube.
Good.
So
What do you think?
she'll be glad to know.
That pretty?
She'll be glad to know you liked it. I wanted her to be able to see it too, or her to see your reaction. So
Yes. Oh, you know, when you said, I thought,
yeah. I'm glad you like it, and she'll be really happy
oh,
too.
I love it, love it, love it. Oh my God, she's a magician with that.
Yeah, she's really good at it. I'm very impressed.
Max is taking it! Max. Wait, Daddy told
Guys, we just got finished dropping off the present. As you saw, I think she was very excited. It was very cool to bring a surprise to my grandma. You guys, you think she was surprised?
Yeah.
You think she's surprised, Maddox? Yeah. Okay. Now we're gonna head home. We'll see if we can get some fun in here. Guys, we appreciate you tuning in. Thanks for watching again. Max always says hi for the camera. Appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe, and yeah, can't wait to bring you another video. Take care, guys.